Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to be doing a comparison between Luma AI and Captions AI. Now these are both video focused tools, but they solve completely different problems. You see, Luma AI is a generative word builder used to create cinematic footage from scratch, while Captions AI is a post-production studio designed to edit, subtitle and polish talking head videos for social media. Now if we look at their basic differences, let's start from their primary goal. Like I said, Luma AI is for generating new video content and 3D scenes from prompts and images, while Captions AI is for editing and enhancing existing videos like talking heads and social content. When we look at their core technology, Luma AI uses generative video models like Ray 3 and 3D NERF, while Captions AI has speech-to-text, AI lip sync, and AI video editing. When we look at the key features, Luma AI has text-to-video, image-to-video, 3D scanning, also called NERF, and cinematic camera controls. When we look at the key features of Caption AI, we have auto captions, AI eye contact correction, AI dubbing, that is lip sync, and AI B-roll. We also have background noise removal. Now, when we look at the content type, that of Luma AI is cinematic B-roll, fantasy, sci-fi scenes. Fantasy, sci-fi scenes. Should I repeat that? Fantasy, sci-fi scenes. We also have 3D assets and abstract visuals. While the content type for Captions AI is short form social media, reels, and TikTok. Something like that. We also have for ads, vlogs, and interviews. Now, when we look at their output length, that of Luma AI is short clips of between 5 to 20 seconds, while that of Captions AI is varied. It's optimized for short form clips and for social stories. Now, when we look at the audio features of Luma AI, it is basic. It's basic or none on the latest models. It's more focused on visuals, while that of Captions AI is advanced. We have voice cloning, we have auto dubbing, we have sound effects generation. When we look at the pricing for Luma AI starts about $9.99 per month for about 3,200 credits, with the free tier having watermarks, while that of Captions AI is around the same price of $9.99 per month, but for Pro, and it offers a free trial, and also a basic tier with limited features. Lastly, let's see the platforms they can be hosted on. Now, the platforms you can use Luma AI are web and iOS devices, while that of Captions AI is iOS devices, Android devices, and web, also Mac desktop. So you may be wondering, which one should you choose? Well, choose Luma AI if you are a filmmaker or artist who needs to create footage that doesn't exist, like a dragon flying or a specific 3D model of a room using only a text description. But choose Captions AI if you are a creator or a marketer who records yourself talking and you want a one-tap solution to add viral style captions to fix your eye contact and also edit the boring parts out. It's as simple as that. See you in the next one.